See?
Let him go up backwards, Jackson.
See, he turned. Actually, he can't climb. Come on, climb. Now, see.
Ah! No, buddy, we didn't want to drop you. La la lu. How about you just let him die?
What's his name, Jax?
Zuzi.
What?
No. No.
What's your lizard's name?
Lizzie.
Lizzie?
No. No. Swimmy.
Swimmy?
Since he swims fast.
Oh, his name's Swimmy?
Yeah, see, he do swimming stuff.
Do you think he likes you to hold him by his tail?
He did this. He was putting his arms up like this and was plugging his nose.
Oh, he plugs his nose.
Yeah, and then he was like this. Whee!
Oh, Jax, you're funny.